Such the expectations are such unrealistic.
See, markets don't let you make money easily.
I would like to come on the part of stress first. That past में बना लिया इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आगे भी बन जाए.
हाँ, मैंने ये नहीं.
Success can be temporary and transient. Very good example. See, everything in life is about approach and attitudes. Right? Now, when you buy an insurance policy, what dream does he sell you? कि आप 1 लाख, आप हर महीने 5,000 या 2,000 दो, आपको 20 साल के बाद कितना करोड़ मिलेगा, राइट? उसमें फर्स्ट ईयर का प्रीमियम का 40% का कमीशन खाता है. सी व्हाट इज द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी गिविंग यू? 40% ऑफ योर फर्स्ट ईयर प्रीमियम द एजेंट टेक्स, एंड एवरी ईयर द एजेंट विल टेक 4-5%. Now, if you think, why don't people think about like this about equity? ये थोड़ी है रेस कोर्स है कि I mean, normally I don't talk to people about equity. I used to go to Jeffries. तो अभी कोई बहुत जन आते थे स्टॉक टिप पूछने के लिए, और लोगों को तो नहीं पता था कोई प्रिटी गर्ल हो तो कैसे ना बोले. तो I told her one share, some girl came. I told her share. She said, how much it will go up in? I don't know, in 3 years I think it should double. Bus, I gave her the address of the Mahalakshmi race course. So, the expectations is, are such, the expectations are such unrealistic. People don't know that the world's greatest investor has compounded his wealth at 22%. So I think that it is for people, see, you want to trade, you trade. Trade is for creating capital. Investment is for growing that capital. Don't confuse the both. Right? Because in trading the risk is extreme. In investing wealth, the risk is not extreme. See, most people say they are investing, but actually their mind is of a trader. That they want to create, you can create unimaginable return in trading. I don't say that. But in trading I can tell you one thing. If 10 lakh trade, 9,99,990 say they have made money. And 9,99,950 are lying. That is the real
lying.
Are lying. कौन कमाता है ट्रेडिंग में? You have been a broker master. कल्पना जी know better than me. कि एंड में तो क्या डब्बा वाला ही कमाते हैं ना. So it's a reality. The question one is approach, attitude. That see, if the return in other asset classes can be 10-11% safe return, equity can give you 18%. I think it will be, for me, if I get 18%, I am a king. If I get 24%, I am an emperor. So therefore, this approach and attitude that this is not a Mahalakshmi race course, right? And you can get a rate of return which is maybe 50 to 75% higher than other asset classes, right? I think should be the approach. Then, you should also have the same dream कि 18% में 4 साल में डबल होता है, right? 8 साल में 4 times जाता है. वो जैसे इंश्योरेंस वाला कमाता है उससे we get much greater return. And today it's tax free. Instead of that, people come when 2002 I used to catch people on the road and tell them sell your bloody wife's bangles and buy equity. Nobody would buy. 2008, my in-law was from wedding. One guy came 18-19 years ago. जिज्जा जी क्या लेवे? मैं बोला भाग जाओ इधर कुछ ले मत. Again he came after me. I said, why? What is? I'm telling you, don't buy anything. जीजा जी आपने कमा लिया, हमको नहीं कमाने देना. So this is a general. So see, this attitude where you want to trade, don't mix it with investing. They फटाफट ले फटाफट, you can do, right? But that's different from investing. Investing is where it's your capital. You have an attitude of return of 18 to 24%. It could get higher, right? But I think 18 to 20% is what we should do. कि जो बीत गया वो शायद कल सही नहीं रहे. तो कभी 1 का 1.25 लाख मालूम नहीं बना या नहीं बना, कितना बना, तो पास्ट में बना लिया इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आगे भी बन जाए.
हाँ, मैंने ये नहीं पूछा कितना बनाया. मैंने सुना कि आपकी रेपुटेशन ये है कि आप जो हैं जब शेयर बाजार में लगाते हैं तो शेयर बाजार का मतलब पैसा बनेगा.
इट्स द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड एंड ब्लेसिंग ऑफ एल्डर्स.
नहीं तो कोई आपने सीखा होगा ना कहीं से. ये
सीखा तो क्या मतलब, मैं जब 15-16 साल का था तो मेरे पिताजी भी थोड़ी बहुत शेयर बाजार में इंटरेस्ट लेते थे, तो मेरे भी बहुत इंटरेस्ट होने लगा. फिर वो भाव बढ़ते घटते थे और मेरे डैडी और उनके दोस्त डिस्कस करते, मैं पूछता था कि भाई ये भाव घटते बढ़ते क्यों है? तो डैडी बोलते थे न्यूज पर देख, ग्वालियर रेवन के बारे में कुछ न्यूज आएगी तो ग्वालियर रेवन का शेयर ऊपर नीचे होगा। तो मुझे बहुत फैसिनेशन होता था। तो वही उम्र से मैं कंपनियों के बारे में पढ़ता था, बैलेंस शीट्स पढ़ता था। फिर फादर गवर्नमेंट में थे, बोले पढ़ेगा लिखेगा नहीं तो करेगा क्या, तो पढ़ा, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी की। फिर मैंने बोला मुझे शेयर बाजार जाना है, तो पिताजी ने बोला पैसे दूंगा नहीं, अभी ऐसे मत करना, ऐसे कर दूंगा। चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है, शेयर बाजार में सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगा तो 15-20 हजार कमा लेगा। यू हैव माई ब्लेसिंग्स, डोंट फॉरगेट योर वर्ड इज योर बॉन्ड, बी फियरलेस, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। और आ गए हम तो शेयर बाजार में। फिर उसके बाद
चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट होते हुए भी आप शेयर बाजार में कितना पैसा लगा? 5,000 लगा था पहली बार आपने?
था ही नहीं तो लगाते खाते 5,000 रुपए। One thing which has worked, I think, what has worked is differentiated thinking, courage of my conviction. I went to the stock market with 5,000 rupees. I am what I am by the grace of God and the blessing of my parents. But nobody ever gave me any money to invest. I earned it all. So I think it's conviction, it's thinking, it's practicality. It is realizing that, wealth should not overwhelm you, or success should not overwhelm you. And there is a process to the madness, and you have to follow that process. I think I am what I am.
Taking chances, I guess, risks.
No, but life is risk. Life is a gamble, marriage the ultimate goal.
Right.
Life is risk. I'll have two interests in life. Markets and women both are concerned with four-letter words. Markets with risk and women with love. But an assessed risk is not a risk. Because, today suppose I travel by car from here to Bandra. There could always be an accident. But then, if I assess that how many people have been killed earlier or have had accidents. So you assess risk. And once you assess it and you take a decision based, I don't think it's risk.
Okay.
So I think also the fact that you must realize that success can be temporary and transient. All adjectives in life are temporary.
Yeah.
Beauty, power, wealth, happiness,
Everything is
everything.
temporary.
So
Right.
the paranoid survive.
Okay.
Because people call you genius. They say that you find a way of getting into even the smallest of companies and suddenly boom, you're like the biggest stockholder. How does that happen? I mean, how do you decide? Are you like a prodigy?
Ma'am, I would like to say first thing about success that see all these all adjectives I always take in life, whether good or bad, with a pinch of salt. If someone calls me a genius, I take it with a pinch of salt. If calls me a nut,
I didn't learn how to take a compliment.
No, but
even I'm very bad at it, but you should learn how to take a compliment.
I'm happy for the compliment, especially when a pretty girl gives it, pretty lady gives it to me. But I must say one thing in life that I believe success is by God's grace and endless blessings.
Right.
I believe that the final element and the ultimate decider is luck, and that luck is nothing but God's grace and endless.
You got to have faith. Everybody's patience and conviction is tested. Then only can you make the money. But the fact remains that for 2 years we had bad monsoons. The government has taken a lot of effective steps, I think. Those steps are taking time to fructify. I, for one, think it's at our doorsteps now. And it will be the story of the boy who cried wolf. And I'm seeing some of the companies I have contact with in Metro, we are seeing good revival of consumer demand. I think we had bumper crops. So I think there will be both revival of consumer demand and revival of investment. I think one thing which is keeping it afloat is, we are not able to recognize fully and attack this problem of banking.